Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
As US President Joe Biden embarks on his re-election campaign, just 33% of American adults say they approve of his handling of the economy, and only 24% say national economic conditions are in good shape, according to a new poll. The Bitcoin price has not been able to bounce back from the crash witnessed at the beginning of the month. The impact on investors, surprisingly, has not been as significant since their behavior has not changed much since the end of March. Shares in South Korea's Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix rose after China failed US memory chip rival Micron Technology in a security review. China's cyberspace regulator said that products made by Micron had failed its network security review and it would bar operators of key infrastructure from buying from the company.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT, the UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.